All right, hi everybody, it's me, Bunker922. So, first impressions time. This show is insane. Campfire cooking in another world with my absurd skills. I have never seen an isekai like this before. So, let's give the backdrop. Mukoda, he's a salaryman. He gets transported to another world with these other people. They're heroes, and they're heroes, and they're archers, and they're spellcasters. His skill, excuse me, online grocery. I'm not joking. That is what he is. His skill is going online and ordering groceries. But what's funny about this show is what happens later on. Because like in episode, well, that happened really soon. In episode 1. So what ends on happening, he doesn't get with the hero and the party. No, it's just, he's totally passed on, and he starts using his skill, which is online grocery, ordering groceries. But there's more to it than that. This anime is like, I don't want to say Food Wars. I don't want to say. I don't want to say that. But it's implied. It's implied. So what happens is he tries to leave the town that he's in. Which he's able to do. He's able to leave the town he's in. This is the backdrop of what happens. And he gets a party to come to escort him. And, he basically pays them and whatnot. But what ends up happening is, while he's with the party, he starts cooking for them. I am not joking when I say this. This guy cooks the best meals for them, because most of the time they're on the road, they're just eating dried meat. His food increases their stats. That's what happens. It increases their stats. But that's not the kicker of this show. During one of the nights where he's with this party, because he's traveling. They're taking him to another town where I think eventually what he does is he joins a merchant guild and an adventurers guild. A wolf. Not just any wolf. Fenrir. The giant wolf from Norse mythology. Yeah, he shows up. And he wants to form a contract with Cody. And he tells him what he wants to do is for him to feed him all these tremendous, amazing meals that he makes. Because they kill these, basically he killed these huge boars. And he cooks the meat, and he's just feeding him. But it's insane. And okay, I saw this the last episode, episode 3. And, he increases his stats to, astronomical levels. Oh my god. I'm beside myself. This is the pinnacle of isekai now. Anything we've seen, I've seen it all. There's nothing else I cannot have seen in isekai. I've seen pharmacy, a hero, freaking handymans this season. You have, it's just because that was the thing. It was a pharmacy. That was an isekai from like last season or the season before that. And you have the healer thing, and it's like this genre has gotten so saturated that now we're having a main character who does well. He does eventually get some like badass powers or something, but majority of the time he doesn't fight. He cooks. That's all he does. He feeds his giant Fenrir, a great wolf, a freaking. This show is unbelievable to witness. It's just like, because you got to figure is that if he joined a party and fed them, that's it. Every time he cooks for them, their stats increased. Go figure. It's like, oh yeah, you can't make this shit up. You just can't. I mean, we had summoners. At this point, isekai has gotten so big, so massive, that now we have what undoubtedly is a Shogeki no Soma isekai. Now, no, true, he's not doing competitions, food competitions. That's true, but he's still making food, and we're still seeing it. This wolf. The wolf from Norse mythology is eating it, his food. And it was funny for episode 3. He feeds him a black Wagyu steak. After it, he says, I can fight an ancient dragon now. And you see his stats. They went up like 50%. I was like, yo. It boggles the mind. It boggles my mind. Where are these people who make these isekais come up with this shit? Where does it come from? It's just ridiculous. But overall, my first impressions is wow, just wow across the board. I'm not giving this a perfect score because I need to see more. I would say like it's up there. It's definitely a 9 out of 10 for me. But it's just so out there. Like, I mean, logistically, the isekais that have landed for the winter season, as I stated before, you have one it's an isekai, but along the lines of, oh, he's reincarnated. That's reborn Master Blade. But that's different. Then you have the one with the Exorcist thing, which also is very different. Those two are very similar in a way because they have the main character who doesn't want to be the center of attention. He doesn't want to be the strong. They want to fight strong people, but they want to stay back. Okay, like her friend, English's friend, is a knight, and she's just her squire. But this show, now I can already tell from the from what I've seen and the intro and the outro that we're gonna get some of these female girls coming into play, and he's probably gonna make food for her too. The whole time I was watching this show, I was thinking about my Saturday D&D group. I mean, you guys know I play D&D on Saturdays. Because there's one guy who cooks for the party, and I'm thinking, definitely, if you guys get a chance, check it out. Like I said, it's called Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skills. And it's a trip, man. It really is a trip. I think later on in the series, he's going to get another creature with him. I think it's a slime. I'm not really sure. But this is definitely one for the record books, in my opinion, because it's absurd because it's one thing that he's making meals and he's increasing their stats, which is freaking ridiculous, overpowered as hell. But now he has a wolf. And it's the wolf from it's Norse mythology. What the hell? Who made this show? Who concocted this crazy, crazy plot? Can I beat this person? Like, really? But overall, I definitely say, guys, check it out. It's weird and strange. And I'm like, the best reactions from this show is the wolf. He calls him Fel. F-E-L. He's like, I recognize the voice actor who plays him. I can't pinpoint it, but I know he's done other shows. I know he's done other animes. But definitely check this out. This is the book. Food Wars in Another World. I mean, it's not exact, but it's pretty damn close. I'll see you guys later. Peace.